Hey, it's Wildcat Steve. Let's go and check out one of my all-time favorite Wildcats, the 282RKX. The 282RKX combines all the great features of all the floor plans into one. You get a massive kitchen, tons of countertop space, big windows, big refrigerator, 12 volt, cools down from room temperature to frozen in 45 minutes, almost 11 full cubic feet. You also get an outside kitchen on this one, a big stainless steel sink, a nice booth dinette with an optional table and chairs. That includes the kitchen. Now we move into the living room, which gives you a hide-a-bed or theater seats, along with 2 recliners, oversized residential, so you can sit across from people and enjoy conversation. Nice big 50-inch 12-volt television. Dual zone allows you to sit inside and watch a movie while someone else is outside enjoying Pandora through the iPhone, on Bluetooth, or even a local radio channel through the same device at the same time. Big bathroom, 30 by 36 inch walk-in shower, lots of countertop space for a bathroom, full linen closet, overhead medicine cabinet, storage down below, 12-inch fantastic fan, porcelain toilet. It's got it all. In the bedroom on the 282RKX, we include the Max King bed, 66 inches wide by 80 inches long, overhead cabinet, shirt closets, a full wardrobe with 2 drawers at the foot of the bed, plus storage underneath the bed, along with 2 nightstands and USB and 110 ports on both sides. I also love the cross ventilation and the windshield up front. On the outside of the Wildcat 282RKX, 30-inch entrance door with a friction hinge entryway, massive outside storage compartment with 1-inch insulated slam latch baggage doors, even an amazing outside kitchen, griddle cooktop, mini fridge, tinted windows, electric awning, JT strong arm stabilizer jacks, and 200-watt solar panel with a built-in 30-amp controller with a regulator. Thanks for taking a tour of one of my favorites, the 282RKX Wildcat. For more information, visit a local dealer or check out forestriverinc.com/wildcat.